Hello and welcome back to the course. In the last video, we defined what is cybersecurity. Today, we answer the most important question in defense. Who are we fighting? Welcome to video 1.2, the cybersecurity landscape. We are going to look at the different types of attackers, the weapons they use, and exactly why they want to hack you. Many beginners make a big mistake. They think all hackers are the same, but the reality is very different. The threat landscape is a wide spectrum. On one side, you have bored teenagers, on the other side, you have military units founded by governments. We categorize attackers by two things, their skills and their motivation. Let's break down the five main types of threat actors. You will face these as a cybersecurity professional. First, script kiddies. They are unskilled individuals. They use tools and script written by others. They don't know how it works, they just want to cause chaos. They are dangerous because they are unpredictable. Second, cyber criminals. These are professional. Their motivation is purely money. They use ransomware and fraud. To them, hacking is just a business. Third, hacktivists. Think of groups like Anonymous. They hack for a cause, political, social, or religious. They don't want money, they want to send a message. Fourth, insider threats. This is the scary one. These are employees, current or former. They already have trust and access. They might be angry or just careless. And finally, nation states, also called APT, Advanced Persistent Threats. These are government spies. They have unlimited budgets and the highest skill levels. They target other governments and critical infrastructure. Now, let's look at the weapons they use. First, attacks that target our system and software. Malware, any software designed to harm your system. These are the big categories of malware: virus, worm, spyware. Ransomware, this is the most dangerous threat right now. It encrypts your data and demands money to unlock it. Supply chain attacks. Instead of hacking you directly, they hack the software vendor you trust and infecting everyone who uses that software. Code injection. This happens on websites. Hacker inject malicious code to steal database information. Zero-day exploits. These attack vulnerabilities so new. Developers have not fixed them yet. There is no patch, there is no warning. Next, we have attacks that target people and networks. These are often harder to stop because they exploit human error. Phishing, the number one threat in the world, tricking user into clicking bad links through email or messages. Password attacks, guessing, cracking, or stealing password using brute force or keyloggers. DDoS attacks, overwhelming a website with so much traffic that it crashes, nobody else can use it. Man in the middle attacks, intercepting secret conversation between two parties to steal data. And last one, insider threats. As we mentioned earlier, this happens when an employee maliciously or accidentally exposes data. So why do they use these weapons and what drives them? It usually falls into four buckets. Financial, stealing money or holding data from ransom. This is most common motivation. Espionage, stealing secrets or government intelligence. Ideology, hacking to support a political belief or a cause. Ego or revenge, doing it just to prove they can, or an angry ex-employee wanting to hurt the company. As a defender, your job is hard because this is an asymmetric battle. The attacker only need to be right once. One mistake and they win, but the defender must be right every time. In the next video, we will cover the core security principles. This is the foundation of everything we do in cybersecurity. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. I will see you in the next video.